This video I want to show an issue I found with my Shark rotator vacuum. Shark rotator. Somewhere here it says it's a Shark. Yeah, there on the thing. It's a bagless system. I've been using it. It's about 4 years old now. It's been pretty much a great vacuum, and the last few times I used it was acting squirrely. Suction wasn't there, but not all that good. And turn it on and make a normal sound in it and go into like some kind of hissing sound and weird stuff. And I emptied it out. I cleaned the filter off a little bit initially and it still didn't do anything. So I started digging around today and I tried some other things. I tried it without the dustbin and without the cylinder filter and without their disc filter, no difference. Took out the HEPA filter in the front, still nothing. Same thing, so I was like, what's going on? So I decided to open it up. And this green thing was all caked with dust and stuff that was around the motor. Because it looks like the intake's there, and then the motor, the air actually goes through the motor and out here. I was doing some remodeling, and I probably should have just used a shop vac, but I was actually using this to suck up drywall dust, and this thing was all caked with stuff. So I'm going to put this thing back together and see what happens. I'm just hoping that if somebody runs into this issue with a Shark vacuum, and if you're comfortable taking it apart and trying to fix it, this could be all that the issue is. Of course, none of the things I saw online actually said anything about this filter, because that's probably not a user replaceable part technically, but if you're comfortable with a few tools, I don't see any reason you can't do this repair. It's something they don't really seem to document, which I guess more work for them, and they just want to sell you a new vacuum probably. I'll post. Don't know if I'll post a video, but I'll leave something in the description if this actually fixes it. And that'll wrap it up. Bye.